During this timeline, during the tripartite struggle, there were three kingdoms: Rashtrakutas, Gurjar Pratiharas, and the Palas. So, feudatory of Rashtrakutas, Parmar ruled in Madhya Pradesh. Palas never ruled, but Gurjar Pratihars also ruled. So, about the Gurjar Pratihar, they actually ruled from 7th to 11th century in Ujjain, and then later moved their capital to Kannauj. They prevented the Arabs' eastward movement in under Nagbhat. So the founder is known as Harish Chandra or Nagbhat. He ruled from Ujjain, Sindh and Gwalior. Sources about them are found in Chaturbhuj temple, which tells about the lineage, Gwalior Prashasti, Rakhreta by Vinayak Pal, Ragholi inscription in Balakad by Jayavardhan, and Pathari inscription in Vidisha. About the Nagbhat one, so Nagbhat I in 1740 AD established himself in Ujjain and defeated the Arab invader Junaid. And that time, we did not knew about the term of as known as Muslims, so we used to call them as Malich. So Kakusht and Kakuk might be the next ruler who adopted the title of Devraj. Then after Devraj came the Vatsiraj. So Vatsiraj built the Shiv temple, Batesar temple, and married daughter of Kannauj. The Yashovarman's daughter, and conquered Kannauj, Bengal, and Rashtrakutas. Then comes Nagbhat II, who shifted the capital to Kannauj, but he was later defeated by Dharmapal and then moved back to Gopagiri in Gwalior. Then comes Mihir Bhoj from 1836 to 1885. He was Appa Devi's son. Title was Mihir as per Sagar Tal Prashasti. Prabhas Prashasti in Daulatpur. Adi Varaha in Chaturbhuj temple. Inscriptions Varaha in Kanpur. Vishnu Ram inscription in Devgarh, and Kalhan's Raj Tarangini of Kashmir. So his area was from Rajputana, Narmada, Punjab, Gorakhpur, Bundelkhand, and Kathiawar. Suleiman, a merchant, came at his time. He said that no one had a bigger army than Bhojas, and he was the Mihir Bhoj, and he was the greatest enemy of the Arabs at that time. He built Telika Mandir and Chaturbhuj temple. Then comes Mahendrapal Dev. Mahendrapal Dev was son of Chandra Bhattarika Devi. He is known as Mahendrapal Dev, Mahendra Yuddha Bhak. Poet Rajshekhar wrote Kapoor Manjari, Vidya Sal Bhanjika, Bal Ramayan, Bal Bharat, Kavi Mimamsa, Hari Vilas, Bhuvan Kosh, and called him Raghukul Shiromani, Nirbhay Raj, Madwal, Ya Nirbhay Vind. He defeated Narayan Pal of the Pala kingdom. Also, a Shiv temple. He built the Shiv temple of Pareshwar, Bateshwar, Tilori, and Diogarh. Then comes Bhoj II. So, he had a war of succession with his brother Mahipal, and he later lost it and died. So, Mahipal, he was son of Mahadevi. Vinayak also adopted the title of Vinayak Pal, Kshitij Pal, Haram Pal, Burra, which was given by Al Masudi. So Rajshekhar called him, the same Rajshekhar who wrote Raj Tarangini called him Raghukul Mukutmani and Maharaja Diraj of Aryavrat. He was defeated by Indra III of Rashtrakutas and Govind IV, who captured Ujjain, and then Krishna III captured remaining everything. Then comes Yashpal. No, nothing about him, just that everything got captured during his reign. Then comes last Rajapal, who supported Ghaznavid invasion. About the architecture, so they started building all the Nagar architecture. The Shikhar, also known as Rekha Prasad, had a Nirantar Mandir, which means no base, and no Pradakshina Path. Temples include Kyaraspur and Patari Temple in Vidisha, Naresar, Rameswar in Amroli, Batesar, and Shiv Mandir and Kuraya Manfit. He built Mandir. I feel this Mandir. 2 temples in Bandhavgarh in Shahdol district. 2 temples, Bandhavgarh in Shahdol district and Chamunda temple in Sihor. Chaturbhuj temple also has about the inscription of 0 on the Hathipur gate and has a Panchang style. Teliga Mandir is a fusion of Dravid and Nagar style, which also mentions that few people from South India moved over here and helped in building that temple. Thank you. This was all about the Gurjar Pratiharas in MP.